Hello everyone, today we'll be discussing about Amazon SEO. Now you might be thinking I'm crazy, right? The thing is, no, Amazon itself can act like a search engine. Various products can really rank well in Amazon directories, and you can really sell a lot of stuff on Amazon as well, because Amazon contains of millions and millions of products by itself. So come, let us dive in and discuss how you can really perform Amazon SEO and help your products to rank on the Amazon search itself. So the first thing is, if you're into an e-commerce business, then you should be on Amazon, because Amazon is a powerhouse. It's a workhorse and it's very much reliable. So if you get your products on Amazon, this is where the audience will definitely shop for, and you should definitely try to host your products in Amazon. Now let us understand how Amazon algorithm works. So it's very much similar to Google, where Amazon queries are only commercial rather than navigational or information as with the Google. But the factor that Amazon considers for ranking is the positive customer reviews, historical sales, relevant keywords, and the right prices, or the hierarchical order of how you have set your products apart from your competitors. Keyword research for Amazon. Yes, you need to do some keyword research for Amazon if you would like to list down your products. So some of the best practices are focus on the high intent keywords, use Amazon autocomplete just like Google have that, Amazon suggested items, competitor products, localized keywords, and there are various keyword research tools as well. Amazon listing optimization checklist. So the first point which I would definitely say is include 3 to 4 priority target keywords with high search volume, preferably long tail, because the combination of high search volume and the long tail can give you both the traffic and the benefit of the rightful intent matching. So you can use the keyword research tool to brainstorm the further keyword research, and also look into the competitors' top selling products from your niche to get more ideas regarding the keyword opportunities. Now comes the titles. So you should optimize your titles. So generally the mobile view only displays up to 80 characters, so it's advisable you keep somewhere between 60 to 75 characters. That's very much useful without getting truncated. No keyword stuffing, please avoid that. If you do too much keyword stuffing, your product listing would be deep buried down and no one can ever find that. Always include some unique selling point of the product, and that is the most important differentiator when you want to do some Amazon SEO thing. Use separators if you are using a long title. So there are certain do's and don'ts, as you can see in the screen, so you can make sure of this. I have personally utilized, I have 2 of my books which I sell on Amazon, so I use certain of these techniques, like the bestseller, sometimes they work, by the way, but it's up to you. You can obviously experiment. Now few crucial image listing which you must have is, like, you should really have a good product identifier. Your product should have all the specifications like the AISN, the UPC, the ISBN, the image types, and obviously your pixels should be quite higher, because the more visibly good your product would feel, the better this would sell. Certain more things, your product details should be well labeled up, your infographics should be good. You should have infographics to create a differentiation of your products, and your lifestyle pictures as well. Now 5 bullet points that will make your listing stand out. So the bullet number 1, highlight the unique selling point. Bullet number 2, make sure that your product descriptions are in depth and this addresses all the current pain point in the market. And also at the same time, point number 3 also, where it highlights all the important features of your product. Point number 4, if your product, if you have some marketing techniques like some free gifts, some discounting coupons, then do mention those as a add-on benefit. And last but not the least, build a trusting factor, get good reviews, get some compelling call to actions, and get some money back guarantee policies. Now coming over to the description. So yes, your product description should also be enriched well. You can add long tail keywords into that. You can modify using branded content with the HTML format, and definitely keep in mind of these do's and don'ts, as you can see on the screen. So as you have seen, like, Amazon really have a lot in store for you, particularly if you're into the product business. So you can really get a lot of sales, and by listing your products down onto the Amazon, you can really rank well for your products in the Amazon marketplace itself. Thanks for watching.